This is one of my Red Hat 8.5 server, and while I am trying to log into the server with the root user and password, it is asking me to change the root user's password immediately because password expired. But I don't want to change the root user password. So in this video, I am going to show you how to disable the password policy for the root user. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a new batch for RHCSA. It's a full course. Course fee is only $4.99. Link given in the description. Please go to that link and register yourself. If you will register, you will get 20 classes. Each class having duration 1 hour 30 minutes, and it's a online class. Let's start the video. So to disable the root user's password policy, we have to start the server in emergency mode or recovery mode. Restart the server. It's the console of the server. Here I am showing you. Select the kernel. Here we need to press the E. Then go to the line where the kernel version is mentioned. Go to the end of the line and remove RHGB quite. Add here init is equal to /bin/bash. Control X to restart the server. It will start the server in emergency mode or recovery mode. You can see without asking the root user password, we are able to log into the server. Now what have to do? We have to use the command mount -o remount rw/. Now check the password policy for the root user using the command chage -l root. It will show the password policy. Here you can see account expiry date is 18 June. So we need to disable it. How you can disable? Use the chage command chage minus capital E, then -1 root. Now use another command chage minus capital M 5 times 9, then root. Now check the policy chage -l root. You can see now account expiry date is never. That means it will not expire the root user's password. Now restart the server. Before restarting the server, again execute another command, that is touch./auto reliable. Enter. Now execute the command exec/sbin/init. It will restart the server. Now use the root user and password to log into the server. You can see without changing the root user password, I am able to log into the server. So this is the way we can disable the password policy for the root user in the single user mode or recovery mode. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching.